The Mental Sphere by J.H.Allen. You see, any expression of life may be affected by the action of these miasms and the nature of mental perversions. If the miasmatic grouping is located about some one organ as the liver, heart, or lungs, the task usually is a simple one. First, because the function of the organs are limited, simple, and their expression physical. Secondly, because the patient recognizes the physical pain, tenderness, soreness, pressure, and such phenomena, then we can auscultate, palpate, and in many other ways secure the symptoms that are necessary in our pathological or therapeutic grouping. In psychosis, the mental symptoms that make their appearance, such as the anxiety, the consciousness, the fear, the patient is constantly examining the organs looking for signs of diseases. Often, in syphilis and psychosis, they are due to lesions such as congestion of the meninges, the symptoms of failure of memory following the suppression of a gonorrheal discharge, which increase as the basilar meninges become more and more congested until the symptoms of mania or true insanity were fully developed. Years are consumed in slow process, the memory failing by degrees. This condition first showing itself in the failure of remember recent events, the things of the present, while the events long past are vividly recalled. This can be readily be seen under the proving of Medorinum. He thinks, he wills, he acts, and out of the truant comment, the visible physical manifestation of venereal disease. The mind is a visurgent of the body, the government, the ruling power. Law is very existent of things. All normal life is governed by law and is in harmony with it, but that all sickness is a perversion of law, or the symptomatology of all disease is the symptomatology of broken law. As we study physiological laws, we enter into a closer relation with the life and all its purposes. Closer relation with the life and all its purposes when a patient enters our office and we see fear, caution, combativeness, or any of the leading faculties very prominent, we often use to be specified fear of death, of being incurable, of falling, as seen under the remedy borax, fear of dog, as under lysine, fear of darkness, night, a storm, etc. in phosphorus. All the miasm are capable of producing mental symptoms, and many of them are due to a combination of miasm. Quite often, the mental symptoms rise and fall with the general state of health or through the influence of the moon or other planetary changes by atmospheric or barometric rising and fallings. The mind or the mental works through the physical, thus, when the physical is out of tune, the mental is often disturbed. This may take place directly in the brain itself or indirectly from a disturbance remote from the brain, as is seen in reflex known as reflex disturbances. Now, as the mental is to a great degree rules over the body, so can we lay great prominence upon a mental miasmatic symptom. It is the reason Hahnemann gave them such great value, as they were primarily or basic, and when a remedy was carefully selected.